Good morning. It's Sunday. Patrick, please. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and we're going to a car boot sale to take part. Patrick's surrounded by stuff, which he seems to find fun. Lucky him. But again, being so early on a Sunday means there's no traffic on the roads. So every cloud. After this, we finish about 10:30, 11 o'clock. I'm going to Thurton. There's an auto jumble there, selling lots of old car bits. See what I can pick up, if I can pick up anything for a 71 Mach 1 Mustang. You never know. Okay, so car boot over. Yay! Just dropped Mary and Patrick off at home and the car load of stuff. And I'm now off to Thurton, to the auto jumble. I just had a phone call from Malcolm to say there's another guy there with a Mach 1 who I've met before, and he's got some nice rocker covers in his boot. So let's have a look when we get there. See what else we've got, or what else they've got. Because I really want to hopefully get hold of some parts. Be nice if someone's selling an engine. Okay, so we're at Thurton. Malcolm's here. Hi. And so are cars and vans and stuff. We'll have a look round. Oh, so look at the size of this, look. Yeah. It's unbelievable, isn't it? It's so big. Yep. Of course the minis are here. Always here. No matter where you go, there's always minis. Was a Mark 1 Escort.
So now I've got full drive and
Oh, that's a two-door. Oh, very nice. 1,300 though. It's crying out for a 2-litre twin cam.
It's crying out to stay exactly as it is because it's really clean.
Yeah. I don't keep anything standard, you know that.
The only time you should mod a car is when it's not good enough condition to warrant keeping it standard.
Oh, I used to have one of these P4s, so I had a 110. And a tub. Oh look, an MGF. Marvellous. Yeah. And some other stuff. Robin Lion and a Pontiac, they're always here. Oh, there's a Bond bug. Oh, God, I can't stand those things. Hideous looking thing. Something V8 has just started up. That's a Mercury, by the looks of it. Mercury convertible. Oh, Morgan. Is that a real Morgan? No, it's a kit car. Even so. Is that a Talbot Horizon? I didn't see that. It is. Talbot Horizon, isn't it? Yes, yeah. What's here? AC Cobra and some other stuff and some more minis. And I want to hear this. I'm sure it's a Mercury. It is, it's a Cougar. Nice. And of course this beautiful Mustang. Very nice. Spotted in the generic car park, a nice Mach 1. starting to think that this wing is on backwards. Don't think that's on the right way, is it?
I'm sure it's not. Although the rampy things look the right way.
Just maybe it just looks like it's on backwards.
So it can be turned.
Yeah.
And it's adjustable.
Yeah, it is adjustable.
So you can actually twist it up.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Got some bubbling in the paint in this one, isn't it? Well, it's got a bit of grit in it. You can see, look.
It's got pickles all over it.
There's grit. Maybe it's been sprayed outside or something, or not in a booth. Or...
Preparation wasn't done properly.
It's peeling. Oh, you can see that it's like orange peel.
It's just a cheap paint job. Still looks good.
But well, that's the thing. It's like my other Mustang, my GT. It's a 4-foot car.
Yeah. If you get too close, you'll see the problems.
Yeah, 4 foot away, you can't see any scratches and blemishes. Okay, how's he got his exhaust?
Straight through with cherry bomb.
Oh, cherry bomb straight through. Yeah, well, his sounds nice. I've heard this
It does sound nice.
run before.
I heard him when he pulled up. I talked to him straight away.
Is it a 4V or 2V?
2V with a 4V carb on it.
Is it? Okay, this looks like a Hot Wheels car. Or Hot Wheels van. The guy with the Mach 1 is not around at the moment. So have another little wander around. Hopefully have a chat with him and have a listen to it later. Mini. That Jag meets Land Rover.
It'll be on the web later, so don't worry. Which means on the Sorry, Keith from STS went to Ramble.
Yes,
Is that him?
I think so. Yeah. Okay, I've seen a Mark II Escort over here. Just gonna have a quick look, see how good it is. Well, as I'm getting closer, I can see the bonnet is brush painted by the looks of it. Oh my god.
Blue LEDs.
Ah, looks like it may have been painted with sandpaper. Right. Oh, it's got a centre exhaust. I wonder what engine's in it.
That's 1.3 on the side, huh?
Ah, but is it a sleeper?
Well, not unless they bought their engine from Halfords, it's not.
That is definitely a strange looking paint job. It's either been keyed a lot or brush painted.
It looks like it's been brush painted and rubbed down, doesn't it?
It does, yes. Oh, nice shiny blue floor mats. Okay. This could be really nice.
There's a load spray down the holes in the fence.
Oh, what does that mean? Because Escort. Oh, the grammar. Oh, the grammar. Okay, so this is underneath the Mach 1. This is a 2V 351. It's good to get a nice video as well, because then I can see where everything goes.
Absolutely.
I found lots of tiny little bits. Ah, that's where they go.
You found those?
Yeah, I've got those, yeah.
Shock tower supports.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good.
It all sounds really familiar.
Interesting with the
Oh,
aspects over.
I found that down there. Is that a breather?
What? The smog?
That little blue thing down
Smog
there.
canister.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, right, that's what it is.
It's an
It's
emissions
small.
canister.
I couldn't find out what it was.
Yeah.
I've got it. I'll sell it.
Oh no,
Oh, there's no plate.
no sticker.
No, I got. This is a. It's not the original one, but that's the what I got with the Marty report.
Oh, it's 72, so yours is 72. Well, mine's
Yeah.
definitely 71 then.
Yeah.
Bargain.
You can get a Marty report for it. You see,
Oh, can you?
which will list when it was produced and how many were made in that colour and trim and all of that.
Oh, okay.
Marble blue and silver. There's a
Comes
big
with
colour combo.
that
Yeah.
sticker as
Shame
well.
you didn't want it.
Hey? Oh, this runs really smooth, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. You can hardly hear it.
On it,
Fantastic,
down
isn't
to the quality.
it? Yeah. It's just got noises in all the right places.
Yeah, just at the back.
I do like these Mark 1 Granadas. Very nice. This is unusual. It's a customised Mini of some sort with a dado rail. It's yeah, it's yeah, I wonder if those lights are off. Old Jowett maybe?
I love the fact that the wood's been modified to suit the modified wheel arches.
Yeah. Oh, it's like a Packard. Is that a Packard? Oh yes, it's Packard on the back. Packard Super 8. Wow. It's ginormous. And an E-Type Jag. That's better. TR3, TR4, TR6. One of them. So, do the wind up a bit, it's a bit breezy. So, managed to have a chat with a guy with the Mach 1 and bought an alternator and a starter motor off him for 25 quid. So, not too bad. There was nothing else there for me. Everything else was sort of ancient really, and just typical stuff of Morris Minors, Mark 1 Cortinas, Hillman Hunters, the usual stuff you always find. I didn't take much video of cars simply because a lot of the cars there were from the show I took at Flixton, which is on a previous vlog, so have a look at that. Other than that, it was alright, Definitely worth a trip to see the Mach 1 and to have a look under the bonnet. It's lovely and smooth, very quiet, very nice. And it just looks fantastic to see them all, to see it done. Lovely. And to hear it pull away, oh, sounds brilliant. Love it. Absolutely love it. Just spurs me on even more. Can't wait to get mine done. Can't wait.